Saturday morning, Quad Cities outside. We're looking at fair skies across the area. Temperatures starting off warm and muggy with numbers right around that 70-degree mark. But check out the dew point, the measure of how much moisture is in the air. Yes, it's already in the mid-60s. So you know it's going to be a humid day, and it's also going to be a hot day. Take a look at the forecasted high temperatures across the area with a south wind, pretty breezy at times, anywhere between 10 to 20 miles per hour. We're going to see our numbers climbing into the lower 90s across the region. We'll go with about 92. It's a popular number from Clinton over to Rock Falls. Good morning in Kewanee. You're looking at about 92 later on this afternoon, as well as Galesburg, 92 in the Quad Cities, 93 in Burlington. But when you factor in that humidity that's going to be in place, that's the other part of this forecast. You add that to the equation, and yeah, it's going to feel like it's in the mid-90s across the area. About 95 in the Quad Cities, 96 in Clinton, 97 is what it'll feel like this afternoon in Kewanee, and 96 degrees the feels like forecast in Burlington. Now, as we go into your Sunday, it gets a little bit warmer. So we're talking about high temperatures into the low to even mid-90s in spots across the region with a few extra clouds bubbling up. But overall, hazy, hot, and humid with those breezy conditions continuing. You factor in that humidity once again into the equation, and yes, it'll feel like it's about 100 in Muscatine, Mount Pleasant, Keokuk during the afternoon. It'll feel like it's about 99 in Burlington, 96 in Kewanee, 97 in Clinton. So yeah, it's going to be a hot and humid weekend for sure. Now, the radar and the satellite picture pretty quiet locally, but off to our west, we're seeing showers and thunderstorms. Here's the front that moved through on our Friday afternoon. That's opening the gates to that hot and humid weather across the area now, but we are tracking a cold front to our west, and that cold front will approach the area not so much today, not so much on Sunday. I think the rain chances this weekend will stay just to our north and west, but as we head into your Monday, that front will begin to sag towards the south right across the region, and that will kind of increase the chances of seeing a few scattered showers and storms across the area. So your severe weather threat on your Monday, we're going to be watching for that. A marginal risk that's a level 1 out of 5, so fairly low for most of the area, with a level 2 out of 5 for our Highway 20 corridors from Anamosa over towards Dubuque. Overall, a chance of 1 or 2 strong to possibly severe storms, with the main threats being damaging winds, large hail, and lightning. And the other part of that forecast that we're watching and crossing our fingers for is some beneficial rainfall. The potential of a ½ inch to an inch of rain across parts of the area will be possible heading into your Monday, especially north of the I-80 corridor. So that's something we're going to be watching for you very closely. 92 degrees for your high on Saturday, 93 on Sunday. Hot and humid weather expected, and then those good rain chances on Monday with that front, which will dry us out and also cool those temperatures back down into the 80s heading into next week.